Alright, so AT&T is at $29.02 with a market cap of 206.80 billion. And this is, we're looking pretty good right now. We're in the range we're supposed to be at. We hit the 28 range, which it got pretty low, and it was getting pretty concerning that it was gonna hit the 27 range. I definitely think it's possible we could hit it. There's a lot of resistance right now with AT&T. It's struggling to stay in that 28 to $32 range. And we do have some good news. And AT&T CFO expects financial flexibility and debt reduction in 2021. So, John Stevens, the CFO of AT&T, says its significant investment in network performance with attractive wireless device pricing for new and existing customers should continue to drive migrations to unlimited plans and momentum in the company's wireless business. The company expects to generate free cash flow of 26 billion in 2021 with a payout ratio of 50%, built upon management's guidance of at least 26 billion of free cash flow in 2020. The company has refinanced more than 60 billion of debt at a historically low rate and reduced its amount of debt coming due through 2025 by about 30 billion. So that is awesome. I mean, everyone knows, well, if you're new to my channel and this is the first video you've ever seen me talk about AT&T, AT&T has an insane amount of debt. We're talking like 150 billion, but they are aggressively paying it down because they know they spent way too much acquiring Warner Brothers for obviously HBO, and they're at a struggle point right now. And they realize that a lot of investors do not want to invest in them because they have so much debt. It's too risky. But this is what we want to see. Refinancing the debt that they currently have is smart. And AT&T, despite all their problems and debt, they are a cash cow. I mean, to earn 26 billion in free cash flow. So what you don't realize when they say free cash flow, that's after they paid everything, paid their dividends, paid their, debt, they're going to walk away with 26 billion for 2021. That's their goal. And it could be better than that. Obviously, it could get worse, but this is what we want to see. And this is why I have faith in AT&T is the second they get their debt under control, probably to a 60 to 80 billion range, because I would say that's normal for large companies like this, that they're going to be a solid play. And yeah, you have to look at it as they might not increase the dividend. They skipped the dividend increase this year, which I'm fine with. We're at 7.17% for a dividend yield. That's insane. So even if they don't increase the dividend, you're you're making amazing money just in the current dividends alone. So they are on the right path here. This is what I want to see, and frankly, I I think once they get everything under control and get HBO going, AT&T is a $40 stock all day long. But frankly, I don't care what the price is at. I want it to remain low because all I care about is the dividends. So please stay on top of this. Do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.